Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today in this video we're gonna talk about Quasimodo chart pattern. Okay, so Quasimodo chart pattern is one of the most important trend reversal patterns that is used in Forex. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're gonna go over what is Quasimodo chart pattern and how it looks like and how you can spot it on your charts, and after that we're gonna go through an example on the charts as well. So the Quasimodo chart pattern is going to consist on two videos. In the first one, we're gonna go over the basics and learn how you can spot it and how you can detect on your charts. And in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to go through how you can use the Quasimodo chart pattern in your trading, in your price action trading, in order to put stop loss and take profit. So please make sure to stick around till the end of the video, and also please make sure to subscribe so that you'll be the first one to know whenever we upload new content. Without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's see what is Quasimodo chart pattern. Okay, as I said earlier, Quasimodo chart pattern is used as a trend reversal pattern in Forex. Okay, so there are other trend reversal patterns as well, but the winning ratio of the Quasimodo chart pattern is above all of them. And the Quasimodo chart pattern is detected whenever you spot that there are consecutive two higher highs or higher lows. So let's say if you're talking about the bullish trend, okay, and in a bullish trend, if there are two higher highs and higher lows formed, then we can start considering the Quasimodo chart pattern. Now, after the formation of these higher highs, okay, and these higher lows, what should happen in order for Quasimodo pattern to form is another lower low should form, which should be at lower level than the previous higher low. Okay, now you can see here that this is a bullish trend going on, and we have these higher highs and higher lows, and after this confirmation we see that there's also a low low forming. Okay, which means that now the trend has reversed. Okay, the sentiment of the market has reversed, so we need to look for that. Okay, and what's gonna happen is after breaking this higher low and the formation of this lower low, the price is gonna go back and retrace back in order to pick the or fulfill the pending orders that were placed here. Okay, now these are some big institutional moves, and we as a retail traders, we need to trade with the big institutions, okay, so that we have higher probability of making some profit. So after the formation of this low low, the price retraced back to this level in order to pick the pending orders. Okay, and then it started to reverse. Okay, because from here it was going bullish, then it started going bearish from here. Okay, which means that now the successful reversal has taken place. So there are some terms that you should familiarize yourself with, is that are like this shoulder, the formation of this, after the formation of the retracement, there's a lower high formed, okay, which is at lower level than this higher high. So this shoulder, this side is called basically right shoulder. Okay, and this side is basically called left shoulder of Quasimodo pattern. And this here, this straight line that is formed by the this higher high and this lower high, which is formed after the lower low, this line is basically our Quasimodo level. Okay, so this is what it looks like on your chart, or what it should look like on a chart. So let me just repeat that in a bullish trend, for a bullish trend to reverse into bearish after the formation of Quasimodo pattern, you should see two higher highs and two higher lows. And after you have detected these two higher highs and higher lows, you should confirm your Quasimodo pattern and trend reversal if you detect a lower low forming, which is at lower level than this previous higher low. Okay, this means now the sentiment of market has reversed or changed, and then after that the price retraces back to pick those pending orders that were placed here, and then it starts going downward, it starts going bearish. And when we want to look this for a bearish trend which is going to reverse into bullish, this process will be reversed. Okay, then what we will detect is the formation of two lower lows, okay, and the formation of two lower highs. And after the formation of two lower lows and lower highs, we should see or detect a formation of a higher high. So I hope you have understood till now what Quasimodo chart pattern looks like and how you can detect it. Now let's go through an example on the charts. So if you zoom in here, and let me just go here. So here we can detect the formation of Quasimodo pattern, and here as well we can see the formation of Quasimodo pattern. Now let me explain by using the method that we discussed previously. So let me just draw this zone. Okay, we can see the formation of Quasimodo here. Let me just make it transparent. Okay, and we can also see the Quasimodo pattern forming here. So let's discuss how this is a Quasimodo pattern. So we're going to use the same method that we discussed above or previously, and we can see the formation of basically a higher low here. Okay, and we can see another higher low forming here, and these both higher lows are confirming that there is a Quasimodo pattern going to form, and this is further confirmed by formation of these higher highs, and there's another higher high here. Okay, so these higher highs and higher lows basically give us an indication that Quasimodo pattern might be in place, but this is confirmed when there's a lower low formed here, which is basically at lower level than this previous higher low. Okay, so after the formation of this lower low, we are confident that now the Quasimodo pattern has formed and now trend is gonna get reversed. But first it's gonna retrace back and then fulfill those pending orders here, and then it's gonna continue towards the bearish trend, because here it was going bullish but now it's gonna go bearish after the formation of this Quasimodo pattern. So let me just draw the Quasimodo level, and we can see here that, let me just make this line, and let me just, so this basically, this is our Quasimodo level that we can see that the price retraced back to this level in order to fulfill those pending orders, and then it started going downward. Okay, now let me just go towards this another example, and here as well we can see the trend in the market. A bullish trend is prevailing in the market, and we can see the formation of these higher highs. This one is higher high, and this is another higher high, and we can also see there's lower low, higher low, and another higher low forming here. Okay, so this basically indicates or tells us that Quasimodo might be in place. Okay, the Quasimodo pattern might be forming, but this is confirmed as soon as we see that there is a low low formed here. So we can see that this is definitely, this lower low is definitely at lower level than this higher low, and after that the price retraced back to this level, and then it started going downward. Here it retraced back to this level in order to fulfill those pending orders, and then it started going bearish. So let me just draw the Quasimodo pattern level, and we can see the Quasimodo level here. Okay, so this is how you can detect the Quasimodo pattern level on your charts and use it in your trading. So as I said in the beginning, in this video we only focused on detecting and learning about the Quasimodo pattern level, but in our next video we're gonna continue this same Quasimodo pattern, and we're gonna see how you can use the Quasimodo pattern in your price action in order to detect where to put your stop loss and take profits. Okay, so please stick around and please stay tuned for the next video, and also please make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be the first one to know whenever we upload the new videos. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.